Hey, what's the next of Dent coin, my friends? What's the next of Dent coin? In upcoming days, they fails down or they going up? Exactly, very big question of all Dent coin holder. Absolutely, I tell you, my friend, what's the prediction of Dent coin to upcoming days? They're moving up or they fails down? What's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Buy everything in this video is going very special for Dent coin holder. So if you are new on our channel, most welcome, my friends. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep touch with us. This channel provide you very latest updates and guide you about all crypto market. So this time, my friend, if you can see here, the Dent coin has completely falls down in the 7 days, my friend. This time minus 40.53% they falls down, and after the start of this month, my friend, if you can see here, they completely falls down. The price is very cheap, my friend, 0.01 USD dollar, and our target is 0.1 USD dollar. I hope they can hit it, my friend. But let's see if you can see here, they completely falls down, my friend. So here, as if you can see here, after a very small take a jump, my friend, you can see here they take a small jump, and after that, my friend, they're going up. So I think in upcoming days they're moving up. Congratulations everybody to upcoming days they're moving up. So this is good news for everyone because they completely fell down. You can see the resistance line is, I think, if you can see the highest point of here, Mecca. You can see here the price is going very upward. Hey, so at this point, so my friend, but after that, my friend, they completely fell down. So let's see the last 1 hour today going up or they fell down, my friend. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, y'all. Please, if you are my friend, okay, you also tell me in the comment box, okay, and subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. Thank you for subscription. All right, my friend, and the last 1 hour, so this is good news for Dent coin, my friend. This time, if you can see here, plus 2.25%, they're going up in just in 1 hour. What a brilliant change, my friend. You can see here, they take just here jump, my friend. Very good jump, and I think if this line goes straight just in 2 or 5 hours, I hope they can hit it 0.001 US dollar, my friend. 0.01 US dollar, my friend. So I hope they're going up like a rocket, my friend. So Dent coin holder, please don't sell it. If you want to, if you do this, if you should do this decision today, this is selling time. Absolutely, ask me on Instagram everywhere. And if you want to research personally, then absolutely research on Google, Twitter, everywhere you found this is not a selling time, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.